January 21st, first snowfall of the 2011-2012 winter season. And we're out at Delia Park playing in the snow. Finney and Allison. Finn was down this big hill already with Mama, and now he just wants to play. Make some tracks. Whoop. Good job getting back up then. Need some help?
You didn't seem very concerned either.